Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Khadse Talent English Medium School, Muktayanagar. So, dear students, the last previous chapter we have discussed the poem part of Unit 4th from NCERT textbook, Marigold. So, today you are going to learn a beautiful lessons, and it is interesting also. The lesson name is Storm in the Garden. Storm in the garden. So first, storm means what? A big wind with rain. That is called storm. So a storm in the garden means गार्डन में बारिश और हवा ज़्यादा चलने लगा. कौन सी गार्डन, कौन सी हवा? लेसन पढ़ने के बाद पता चलेगा. So let you read first. Here one character given. The character name is Sun Sun. Actually it's a snail name. Snail, insect, snail name. So what happens? He was moving. Generally the snail was moving in the garden. So he looking at every creatures. Suddenly a storm came, and he gets surprised, and he went to her mother, and what he saw in the storm is going to explain. He is explaining to his mother. That is the story. Listen. Sun Sun the snail was visiting his friends. The ants, they climbing all over him. He. They climbed under him. He. Something making noise. Suddenly a great white light crashed through clouds. Sun Sun quickly pulled in his tail and stopped very still. Actually, all are playing in the gardens. The ants are playing. Some ants going over his body, over his snail. So he is making so happy. They're moving. They're playing nicely. So there is nothing else. But suddenly, what happens? A white light crashed in the clouds. Okay. Then after, the snail took his head inside head and tails, and started to roam. Then what happens? What is said? Outside, the sky grew dark and the crows flew past. Ka, 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 ka. Oh, but where were the ants? Sun Sun stuck out his feelers and looked for them. They were hiding under a flower pot. After what happens? Completing, when he opened his head, the sky grew dark, and all the crows went away by making sound. Ka, 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 ka. They making sounds and they went away. सारे crows वगैरह सब उड़ने लगे. और he used to search the ants. Where was the ants? Those who were climbing on my body, but now where they are? He searched. But what they are? Where they are? They were hiding in a flower pot. Flower जो pot होती उसमें जाके उन्होंने छुप गए. कौन छुप गए? Ants. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying? So he is explaining. Go home, Sun Sun. The ants cried out. Hurry, hurry! Your mother will worry. Sun Sun went to his mother where she sat under a stone near the well. All the ants are shouting, crying, hey Sun Sun, बारिश में क्या कर रहे, आप चले जाओ जल्दी, you go fast to your mother, don't stay in rainfall, let's go fast. All the ants are telling to Sun Sun that you go as soon as possible. Then after, where is leaving the wall of the well? Amma, who? Sun Sun telling to his mother. Amma said, Sun Sun, there is a storm in the garden. I hear the wind blow, 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 blow. This type of sound is creating. He is trying to explaining to her mother. वो जो सुनसुन द स्नेल, उनको मदर को मतलब वहाँ का सिचुएशन जैसा था वो प्रैक्टिकल वे एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है और बोल रहा है कि वैसा हवा आ गया, कैसा ऐसा साउंड आ रहा था. ही इज एक्सप्लेनिंग टू हिज मदर. I saw tree sway, sway, sway. Sound is creating by the trees. I saw lighting flash. Some crashing sound. It's explaining by a practical way. Who? The Sun Sun. To whom? To his mother. Okay. Then after what happens? I hear thunder, roll, 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 grum, 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 grum. But thunder, how it is? You know our well, it's different. Some blasting sound will create, isn't it? So in this way, by making acting, and by making create different type of sounds, he is explaining to his mother what was exactly happened in the garden. गार्डन में एक्चुअल क्या हुआ, कैसा हुआ, वो स्टॉर्म कैसा आया, उसमें कैसा बादल में मतलब चमक आया, उसके साउंड कैसा आया, सो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अच्छा से एक्सप्लेन करना शुरू कर दिया. Then after what happens? I hear rain fall. The rain also falling different. Means listen to me. Suppose rain अगर sand, you know sand, उसमें गिरे तो एक प्रकार साउंड आएगा, पत्ती पे गिरे तो एक प्रकार साउंड आएगा, रूप में गिरे तो एक प्रकार साउंड, सो डिफरेंट साउंड आने वाला. इसलिए इसमें पिट 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 डिफरेंट साउंड्स मेकिंग एंड एक्सप्लेन टू हिज मदर. I hear water drip 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 pip 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 drip drip drip. So it was biggest storm Sun Sun had ever been. Oh sa zug zug grum grum strip strip pit pit sit pit pit pip 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 pip. इतना सारे साउंड आया. He's explained to her, to his mother. Next, and what do you know? And do you know what? Sun Sun didn't get wet. Do you know what? Oh, it's a surprising thing. वो बारिश में था लेकिन उसको वो वेट नहीं हुआ. कैसे? How it is possible? क्योंकि उसको हेलमेट था. क्या था? हेलमेट. वो था. उनका एक पावर है, उनका एक नेचुरल हेलमेट रहता. जब कुछ बारिश आता और कुछ किसको देख लेते तो मुंडी को अंदर डाल देते, ऐसा मुंडी को. हाउ इज इट टॉटल यू? टॉटल भी कैसा मुंडी अंदर ले लेता, वैसा वो ले लेता. इसीलिए वो वेट नहीं होता, पानी में वेट नहीं होगा. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? सो दिस इज द लेसन्स ऑफ Sun Sun, whose name means the name of the snail. I hope you understand the lesson properly and clearly, and In PDF file I will send to you the hard words and question and answers, whatever may be, and try to read the solutions and practice properly, and read the lessons and make a audio or video and send to me, that I can understand that yeah students are learning. And okay, the session has completed. So next session we are going to discuss the another lessons, another chapter. So keep watching. Bye bye.